Everything you need to start a Christmas light business is right here on this table, and I'm going to walk through each thing, that the tools that you need to stay safe up on roofs, and the tools that you need to be able to operate a Christmas light business in 2025, or whenever you may see this video. I'm going to walk you through each thing that we have that we will make it really easy for you to run a Christmas light business, to start a Christmas light business, and to grow a Christmas light business. I'm Jason Guyman. I'm here to help you start and grow your Christmas light business. I've helped thousands of people start and grow Christmas light businesses. I've helped people make millions of dollars starting and growing Christmas light business. So let's start talking about what do we need, so that way we can make sure our employees are safe, make sure that we are doing stuff safely, and how we can do this for you. So first thing off that we need for Christmas lights is cutters. We need lots of cutters. Again, I have a full list of all the tools here at christmaslights.io/tools. It has all of them. You can go there, you'll see all the links to everything. So first off, we like the precision cut tools for cutting wires. They make clean cutting wires, make it a lot better, and they keep them nice and clean. So that's our first thing. You can get these on Amazon. They're like, you can get a box of like 5 or 10 for 20 or 30 bucks. So they're not that expensive, and this is something that we can do. Now, just a heads up, so I let you know, is they're sharp and they will cut you if you're not careful. There's ways in training that I'll show you how to slide the caps on plugs. So just make sure that you don't get cut or your employees don't get cut. And if they fall down and hit you in a crock, they're probably gonna bleed and it's gonna hurt. So make sure that we're staying safe with this. The next set of cutters that I use is here, just a regular pair of wire cutters. And this here is to cut this green wire, and only this green wire, because if I cut it with the other ones, it will break the little blades off. And I use this only for my wreaths, as hanging my wreath right here that you can see. So that is these two types of cutters.